Hey guys, welcome to question FM127 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the value of an annuity Vn after n monthly payments of 1,620 have been made can be determined using the recurrence relation V0 equals 200,000, Vn plus 1 equals 1.003 Vn minus 1,620. Now, if you have an early version of our book, this 1,620, there's an error in the book that says minus 620. So if you've been confused up until now, feel free to whack in that extra one. Maybe have a go at it before having a look at this video. But moving on. So the value of the annuity after 4 payments have been made is closest to what? Now we've been given a recurrence relation and of course a starting point here. So finding out the value of our annuity after 4 payments is simply a matter of inputting our value of V0 into our little recurrence relation to find V1 and then using that to find V2, V3, V4. So I'll go through that sort of step by step with you. Now if we make our Vn plus 1 V1, that's going to make our little Vn, our V0 value of 200,000 here. So in order to calculate V1, we're going to put in 1.003 times our 200,000 minus 1,620. So it's also important here to somewhat understand what is happening in this calculation, guys. So this 1.003 times 200,000, that's going to increase our value of 200,000 by 0.3%. If you're not sure of how that works, I definitely suggest looking up how to convert between percentages and decimals, that kind of stuff, but you should get a fair bit of practice of that during this book. So completing this calculation, we're going to get a value of 198,980, and that'll be dollars. So that's our value of the annuity after our first payment. Now let's move on to the next one. So down here to find V2, of course if Vn plus 1 becomes V2, that means Vn is going to become V1. So our calculation to find V2 is 1.003 times our newfound 198,980 minus 1,620. Now, you guys will be plugging this into a calculator. I'm just writing them down here. I'm also going to be rounding to 2 decimal places, but of course, if you have calculator values, make sure you carry all the values that are given into your calculator just to get the most accurate answer at the end. So plugging this into a calculator, you should get 197,956.94. And then we continue the process down here. So once again, 1.003 times 197,956.94. And that should drop out an answer of 196,930.81. So I'm fairly sure this is our first rounded figure. I think we've got some more decimals and I've just rounded it to 0.81 for now, but you should use that full number on your calculator as you're doing these calculations. The final step. We get a final answer of 195,901.6, but of course we've been given whole dollar figures here, and the one that is closest is option B at 195,902, which of course would be our rounded figure here. So guys, if you have any questions on how I got this number, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.